Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern fashion show poster design in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions, and the background color is black. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. I need some manual selection, for that I am using Lasso tool. Then open Layer panel, and add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its font to Oswald Bold. And apply green color to it. Rotate the text, and adjust its placement. Bring text layer down. Go to the Rectangle tool, and create a shape. Apply green stroke to it. Right-click on Image Layer, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then add Layer Mask to it, select the Brush tool, and apply like this. Follow my other text settings. Apply drop shadow to it with these settings. Create blank layer. Select the brush tool and apply like this. Follow me. Follow me to add some leaves into it. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.